So this is our old dishwasher. We've lived in our house for about 2 years, and a little bit after we moved in, it is a KitchenAid. It's very dirty, sorry. The sprayer broke that is supposed to spray the top portion, and so I would just make sure to fill it to accommodate that. The racks never came out very well, and then recently we have had them kind of break off from what is supposed to be holding them, and so that got really frustrating with loading and unloading. See how difficult that was. So it's just not doing a good job, and we have decided to get a new dishwasher. So Ben and I had been waiting for Lowe's to have their Labor Day special. We saw that they were having some pretty great deals on appliances, and we decided to check it out.
The good thing about this is it says the Silence Plus, so you pay a little bit. So one of the things I noticed was the drawers themselves. See how rickety they are? Some of them, they're just not quite as sturdy, and you can feel it when you pull it in and out. And obviously that's why we're looking at a new one, because our old one broke.
So when you're shopping for a new dishwasher, you need to decide what color you want the outside to be. They typically come in white or black or stainless steel. We wanted to keep it stainless steel so that it would match our refrigerator in our kitchen, so that was easy. And then you just kind of have to figure out what you're looking for inside, as well as how much you want to spend. They have really, really expensive ones that are much quieter, and so if that's something that interests you, then you might want to spend a little bit more money to get one that's quiet. So this dishwasher was the most expensive one that Lowe's had in stock, and it was originally $1,100. We couldn't believe it. We thought that was so much for a dishwasher. It was on sale for $8.99, but still more than we wanted to spend. It had 3 different racks, and it looked like a really nice dishwasher, but just a little bit too much for us. So here is the dishwasher that we finally chose. It was originally $800. We got it on sale for $529, which was a savings of $270. We were really, really happy. It has the feature that we felt was most important for us, which was that the silverware holder was on the door instead of taking up space in the bottom. So we are really, really excited. So it also had this cool feature of being fingerprint resistant.